Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Power Automate to ChatGPT for email drafting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a Microsoft account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Power Automate website. Log in using your Microsoft credentials. Once logged in, locate the Create option on the left sidebar. Click on Create to start building a new flow. Select Automated Cloud Flow to create a flow that triggers automatically. Name your flow something relevant, like ChatGPT email drafting. In the Choose Your Flow's Triggers section, search for an appropriate trigger. You might want to use when a new email arrives as your trigger. Select it and click on Create to set up the flow. Next, configure the trigger settings according to your preferences. You can specify the folder to monitor for new emails. Now, click on New Step to add an action to your flow. Search for HTTP in the Action search bar. Select HTTP from the list of actions to set up a connection to ChatGPT. In the HTTP action configuration, choose Post as the method. In the URL field, enter the endpoint for ChatGPT's API. You can find this information in the OpenAI documentation. Next, set the headers to include content type as application/JSON. Include the necessary parameters, such as the user's input and conversation context. After configuring the HTTP action, add another step by clicking New Step again. Search for Email or Outlook to find the action for sending emails. Select Send an Email, V2, from the options provided. In the To field, you can choose the email address dynamically from the trigger output. For the subject and body fields, use the dynamic content from the previous HTTP response. Make sure the body of the email captures the drafted text from ChatGPT. Once your flow is fully configured, review each step for accuracy. Click the Save button at the bottom right corner of the screen. To test your flow, send a test email to the monitored inbox. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.